Hi, I'm Lekesha. I completed my IPM undergrad from IIM Ranchi and then gave CAT and got admitted to IIM Ahmedabad.
Students have this exact aspiration. Can you tell us how it felt when you got into IIM Ranchi and not IIM Indore for IPM?
I had plans to go for bachelor's in economics abroad and in DU, but then COVID came and things did not work out as planned. I did not get a very good percentage in boards, I had 98.6, but that was not enough for Delhi University. I got to know about the IPMAT exam from my friends and I just randomly prepared for 1 week. I cleared the cutoffs for the Indore interview, but I did not get in. So I think my interview was not as good. After my rejection from Indore, I was one day crying randomly that I have nowhere to go. And then a notification popped up on my screen that IIM Ranchi is starting its IPM program. So then I applied to IIM Ranchi, but I was not at all enthusiastic about coming here.
In retrospect, are you happy that you came here?
I am very, very, very grateful that I did not get into Indore, because I met people from Indore and their curriculum was very, very academic oriented and they did not have a lot of time on their hands to do the things that they wanted to explore. So I think I'm very grateful for A, the time I had, B, the people I met.
What's the most memorable course that you've experienced at Ranchi?
So I think the most memorable course was a course on philosophy, but he not only taught us different concepts, but taught us the applications of all those. So I think that were pretty much embedded in our discussions. More of being aware of different thought processes that people had and being aware of your own biases so that you can react to situations better and understand the people around you better.
Can you give an example for kids who are watching and they're like, कुछ समझ नहीं आया मुझे?
So for example, when we analyze different government policies also, we see that there are a mixture of different kinds of ideologies that people had. So you'll be able to differentiate that this part of this policy is mostly based out of utilitarianism, which is basically ensuring not the good, not the welfare, but the pleasure of the greater number. And then you go ahead to see how policies are refined to move from pleasure to welfare. So I think these all things will help you analyze.
Can you share your initial journey about IPMAT? And your preparation was 1 week, but you had a very strong base.
If you're from the PCM background, I think your math part is sorted already. In that 1 week, I only looked at mock questions and YouTube videos. So I think that will give you a hang of how the questions will be formed. And even if you're good at math, having a sense of how the questions will give you more confidence in exam. About VARC, I think I heard from a lot of people that go read newspapers, go read a lot of books, and I didn't do any of them. So I think that having an understanding of what you are reading, not just for the sake of reading, if you don't know any word, just go and Google it. As simple as that, but make it more consistent.
How much did you get in VARC in CAT?
100%. VARC is not about memorizing and vocabulary. It's about making sense of what is written. It is testing how well you understand the exam pattern. Sometimes you see questions and you answer them, and then in the analysis you see that they're all wrong. So the basic understanding that you need to have in this type of questions, my instinct is wrong. So just do the opposite. So understand what the examiner wants to ask, what the paper wants to ask.
So there are multiple IPM students at IIM Ahmedabad. What do the professors think of IPM?
Professors do not really differentiate between IPM and other courses, but one visible difference is IPM people know how to make PPTs, presentations and reports. We know how to work on projects, and IPM people know how to work in groups. So those two are very different things from the batch.
And why is that important for getting a better placement or better opportunity at a job?
In institutes like IIM Ahmedabad, everybody is very smart. Basically, the point of differentiation between people is how they communicate. Having the ability to put your point across is very important because interviews are very short spanned. They're a few minutes, and within those few minutes, you have to convince the other person that you're worth it.
Can you share what specific aspects of your IPM journey helped strengthen your IMA interview?
When I went in, they gave me a math question to solve. It was an Olympiad level question, but I did not know how to do it because my quants percentile was not that good. So I just tried, and then they said like try again. I tried again, but I did not know what to do. And then they asked me to like take the paper, scrap it and just throw it. So it was a test of my confidence, but I was happy because I had not written anything on the paper. They just put their chairs aside, and I was thinking what's happening, and they opened the window and asked me to look out of the window strategically. Because when they asked me my favorite course from undergrad, I replied to that it was strategy. Looking out of the window strategically, I was confused honestly, but then they gave me a hint like look at a lot of hospitals around you, and why are so many hospitals together, how clusters are formed in businesses, how our election strategy is formed. You have to show them how you think. So just ask the right questions. Do not think in your head, think out loud is what I would suggest.
How did you balance your college academic with CAT preparation? Because you're also a rank holder here at Vanshe.
So as I mentioned, I did not prepare for CAT a lot. I only put in 2 weeks.
People will get
effort.
depressed, Lekisha. Even when you say you did not prepare, you had 12 years of school where you put so much hard work. So your preparation has been spread out throughout the time, which people need to realize.
Yes, so CAT is an aptitude test, and you cannot build your aptitude in 2 weeks, and I'll be very honest with that. So it is the consistent effort towards whatever you are doing from the beginning. So I think that is very important. So high conscientiousness is one trait I have seen in people who have cleared CAT. However hard I try, in 2 weeks I cannot build my VRC level from here to here. What I can do is revise my math formulae, revise my DLR concepts, and then just go and trust myself in the paper. So I think one thing very important is to be calm in the paper. I think the IPM degree was important to me in the sense that it gave me a leverage. Even if I screw up the paper, I will have this degree. So I think the most important thing that this degree did for me is to give me the mental calm to write CAT.
We just came for a quick coffee break at Nescafe. We had coconut water. And now we are back to answering more questions.
When it comes to IIM Ranchi, basically the IPM program, one major big advantage that we had was time. So like we had 2-3 classes a day. I know that if you pay enough attention in class, you will ace the exams. And the only day I studied was one day before exams. Somebody uses that time and does a lot that they can build on themselves, they can build their startups and a lot of other things. So so I think if you build it here and then you go and develop yourself to make your skills better, to make your startup better, so I think that would be a great idea. I have not seen one project as creative as the projects at IIM Ranchi, because like people honestly don't have that much time to put in, and honestly are very tired, so that much effort also does not go into the group presentations. Whatever I am today is just because of peer learning. For example, like talking about Bhavesh, we all got inspired on how to make PPTs from him. Like basically how to talk. I think that is one very important skill that people underestimate a lot. I think if you know how to talk, you can get most of your things done in life. So I think that is what IPM taught me.
What's your recommended approach for effective revision, especially for people who are preparing for IPMAT? Because people are like, I did this question, I learned the formula, I could solve it, but after 1 week, whoosh, dimag se gayam.
If I had prepared for like months, I could do one topic a day. But now because I had such little time, I studied like 4 or 5 topics in math a day. I tried to complete all the questions in the material that I have. So like if you have a short amount of time, you have to sit for long hours naturally. So I think whenever I learned a new thing, I wrote it, like I made my own notebook of formulas and I noted down that particular formula. And not just formula, I invented my own methods and formulas. So that is what helped me in the last moment, that because I invented them, the methods, the combination of formulas, and it was nothing new. Basically, they were derived forms or other forms of the basic formulas, but I was comfortable with them. So when I wrote them down and like opened my notebook on the last day, I could instantly know that this is what I have to do if this kind of question comes.
It's very interesting because people ask me कि भैया कितना time लगेगा IPMAT clear करने के लिए. It's like a JEE person can clear it in 2 weeks. Some people take 2 years and still cannot clear it. It's very relative.
Yes.
You were inspired to join IPMAT because you saw a video of an IIM Indore student who got into IIM Ahmedabad. You will be doing that to thousands of students now.
It feels great, like to be to show a possibility that it can be done.
Was I Am Ranchi worth it at the end of the day?
120% I Am Ranchi was worth it for the people I met here, for the lifelong friendships I made here, and nothing could compare to that.
What's the most like fun, memorable experience which is legal that you can share that you did at I Am Ranchi?
No. One thing was like whenever me and my friends were tired, we would come out here, sit in the sun, take out our coloring books as if we were 5-year-olds and would just sit and color in the sun.
Hey, it's afterwards.